I'm going to do the major organ systems, 10 of them, and their functions.
All right. Go for it.
Okay, so the first one is the nervous system. So the nervous system, it controls all body parts, and it also has communication between them. And some of the major parts include the brain, spinal cord, and then the next one is integumentary system, and the function is it protects the internal organs using external body parts such as hair and nails. The next one is cardio system, also cardiovascular system if you want to go that far. Its function is to transport oxygen and nutrients to different cells throughout the body and also get rid of cellular waste. The next one is the endocrine system. The endocrine system aids in growth and development, metabolism, tissue growth, and mood regulation. The next one is the respiratory system. The respiratory system oxygenates blood and gets rid of waste carbon dioxide. The digestive system absorbs and digests. Some major organs include the stomach and liver, and that's the type of doctor I want to be. The reproductive system provides offspring. The urinary system gets rid of liquid waste and also maintains healthy levels of other substances such as salt in the blood supply. The muscular system's main function is movement. And then lastly, the skeletal system provides support, regulation, and protection for the body. And all of these major organ systems help humans stay alive.
How long did it take to know about these and be able to recall it that fast?
It actually took like 45 minutes to an hour.
And how much would it have taken otherwise if you had not learned all the techniques?
Probably a lot longer.
All right, do you see a future gastroenterologist here? Yes. All right.